Imagine a world where everything you know has an identical copy, from Nike shoes and iPhones to Tesla cars. This is not science fiction. This is China, the world's giant hub of counterfeit goods. Let's dive into this fascinating phenomenon together. Copying culture, the foundation of an empire. In China, copying is not just about copyright infringement. It is deeply embedded in history and learning philosophy. From calligraphy and painting to industry, copying is considered an art form, a method of skill improvement. This mindset has laid the perfect foundation for a booming counterfeit industry, turning a blind eye policy and massive economic benefits. In its early days, the Chinese government, especially under Deng Xiaoping, subtly encouraged the copying of Western technology as a shortcut to economic development. The result? Countless Chinese businesses, without investing much in R&D, flooded the market with products eerily similar to global brands at ultra-low costs, generating enormous profits. Super fake. Rep 11. The evolution of counterfeiting. Since the 2010s, Chinese counterfeiting has reached new heights. No longer just crude imitations, counterfeit products now come in sophisticated versions labeled super fake, Rep 11, and more. Many consumers even prefer these fakes due to their affordability and stylish designs. This counterfeit market has become an inseparable part of the global economy. Not just fashion, high-tech industries are also targeted. China doesn't stop at copying clothes, shoes, and household goods. It has also ventured into high-tech sectors requiring advanced expertise. Tesla, Mercedes-Benz, and even famous architectural structures have all been replicated. Their ability to copy is so rapid that fake products sometimes hit the market before the originals are officially released. Astonishing, isn't it? Consequences and valuable lessons. While the counterfeit industry brings enormous economic benefits, it also causes international brands hundreds of billions of dollars in losses annually. Issues like poor product quality, copyright violations, and unfair competition are unavoidable consequences. This serves as a costly lesson for businesses and governments worldwide, highlighting the need for intellectual property protection and innovation. What are your thoughts on this copycat empire? Leave a comment below.